for a greater cause. So hey guys, today is day 50, so we're halfway there. So let's see what today is going to be. If I can just pick up one, it'd be nice. I always get 2 or 3. Make 3 or more artist trading cards. Okay, let me get my stuff together and I will be right back. Well, I totally flubbed up the whole entire first round of these that I did.
Oh no!
I don't even know how I did it, but we're gonna do it over again. Yeah! But I'm gonna do it different this time.
What?
I'm gonna do it different than what I did the first time, and I'm sorry you're not gonna see that, but there's no point in showing you because it's not ATCs. Well, 3 of them are, but the rest... Anyway, so what I've got here is my 11 by 14 piece of paper, and I've got a piece of deli paper that I threw off the extra off of my jelly prints onto it. And then I've got some paint. I've got a blue, a purple, a yellow, a green, a black, and a white. We're just going to smear some paint down. Just spreading it around with my card. Could dry between each, but what's the fun of that, right? So I'm just going to put down colors and areas that I want to use them. Keep going until I use all the colors I want. Okay, I think I've got all the paint down that I want in colors, but I'm going to add some black and white still, so I'm going to dry this first. Like that, just like that. Now what I want to do, I want to cut my paper into ATC size cards. They're 2.5 by 3.5. There are diagrams online that you can go find. Just Google diagrams for ATCs. It will tell you how to cut a piece of paper to get the most cards out of the paper. I'm not doing that today. Oh yeah? Well, that's probably why you messed up the first ones you tried to make. I'm just ready to cut, so I'm going to cut. And however many I get. And the leftover paper will not be wasted. It will go to something else. So all I'm going to do is take my little cutting thing here, and I'm going to put my paper down in here, probably on this side, and just measure out 2.5 2.5, 2.5, 2.5, and slice, slice, slice. And then when I'm done, I'll turn it around and do my 3.5 for each little slice that I got. Kind of hate to cut this because I really like it. I really love this section right here especially, but you know, it's for a greater cause. So let's get to cutting. Okay, I'm done cutting. This is the piece I showed you a minute ago that I can't use as an ATC, but I love the piece and I can still use it. And then this is the other pieces that I can't use. So these are the cut ATCs. I love this one, and this one, and this one, and this one. Oops. I like that one. Love that one. Kind of like that one. I like that one too. And that one. And that one. I love the ones that have most of the colors in them. Now, you can take this from here and leave them as they are, and add words and or some papers or whatever. I'm gonna take a few and decorate them with some papers. I think what I'll do is I'll take the ones that I don't love as much, separate them out, and I might add paper to those. All right, let me get my paper and see if I still want to use this paper. I may not. I don't think I do. All right, let's see what else we have. Let's see what this looks like. I have this sticker sheet, and we have done a sticker sheet during this project. So you can go back in the playlist of the 100-day project for 2019, and you can see a sticker sheet created. I thought I would take a sticker off of here to see how we liked it on there. Okay, not loving it. So we're gonna move on to something else. All right, I pulled out this piece of deli paper, and I pulled out a punch, and I'm gonna see if I like a punch on there. So I'm gonna fold the paper in half and punch 2 pieces. All right, let's see. And I didn't get it all the way to the edge on either one. That's okay though. Okay, I kind of like that. Yeah, I like that. Okay, I've got 3 that I want to do. So for now, let's glue these down. Okay, I've got all of these on, and I went ahead and after I tore off this half, I went ahead and used it on this last one here. We're just doing 4. I know it's an odd number, but I pulled over some stickers. I think I'll use this one. And it's an odd shape on top of this little circle here, but I just like it, so we're gonna do it. Yeah, I like that a lot. I think that's very pretty. And I'm trying to keep these flat. I don't want a lot of dimension on them. Okay, I am going to put a little gesso on here. I just want this dulled down a little bit, and I have a bunch over here left, so if we don't like the way these turn out, there's always more we can play with. I like that a lot better. And you can still see some of the colors. It's not like I'm getting rid of everything. All right, let me dry that real quick. These are ready for the next step. I took some book paper scraps and I took a stamp that had the word free on it, and I have these pieces where I was tearing these words out. So what I want to do is I'm going to staple the word free on the card somewhere, but I'm going to also put these little scraps on there somewhere. Like this one here, I was thinking about putting up here and then putting the word free right there. Maybe putting another little piece down there. Let's just do it. Okay, one thing I do want to do is distress the edges of these. And I'm just going to take my black soot distress ink and run it around the edges. I really like where they're at, so I'm just going to stop and I'll just show you real close where we stopped. I really like them. I think they're really sweet. Putting a shadow on there with my thumb with the light there. They're very simple, very plain, but I think that's what I love about them. And this pink really just sets everything off for me. In fact, this one needs a little more pink. Okay, I might just put a little bit there. Okay, that's good enough. The others have more pink, so that looks good. I like it. We have these left to work with. Okay? Alright guys, I hope that you will create some ATCs and have a good time, and I will see you tomorrow for day 51. Alright, see you later. Bye-bye.